Welcome back to 876 Recipes News TV. The saga deepens into recent events at Pathways International Kingdom Restoration Ministries in Montego Bay, St. James. A member has disclosed that he was directed by the leader of the church, Kevin Smith, to place him as trustee on his insurance policy. The 26-year-old man, who has been identified only as Corey, has been a member of the church since 2014. He was stabbed and shot during the religious ritual at the church on October 17. Corey said he had 3 insurance policies with his children as beneficiaries. Despite being married, he was advised by Kevin Smith to add him to the policy.
In the investors that pass away, he was the one that gets the payout, which is over $1 million each. He would get that money. So what he claims is that in the event that anything happens,
Yes,
our children could get stuff, so they would benefit from the money because it would be given to him as a trustee because my children are under the age of 18.
he said Mr. Smith gave the trust to each member of the church to manipulate them. Called Pastor Kevin Smith died on Monday in a car crash on the Linstead bypass in St. Catherine. Corey said his 2 children had been placed in state care. He also said he was traumatized by the events of the night of October the 17th. The saga continues. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, click the post notification bell so that you will be notified when a new video is uploaded to this channel. Walk good.